Thursday yan. Okay, dun mo matatanggap yung earnings. Kung nakaset yung credit wallet, ayun, $2,665, 1 week. Another example, ayan. Period of May 6 to May 12, nakuha ng May 18, 2,552. May 13 to May 19, nakuha ng May 25, 2,391. Tumingin kayo sa slide para masundan yung sinasabi ko. Period of May 20 to May 26, nakuha ng June 1st, 2,665. Sa itaas, period of May 27 to June 2, nakuha ng June 8, 2,763. I-total mo 4 weeks, $10,300. Income na yan ng top earner sa ibang kumpanya, monthly. Ito, weekly pa lang yan. Sama mo yung monthly, baka magulantang ka. Ayan, sample, May 1 to May 31. Oh, 15,527.48. Add mo dito, almost $26,000. Kayo na mag-compute in just 1 month. I don't know kung kanino to. Nakalap lang natin yan.